Finding that perfect, everyday carry knife can feel like a quest, but what if one just clicks into place the moment you hold it? This sleek black blade, the Miguron Moyarl, promises to be your next go-to companion for the outdoors and daily tasks. But does it truly deliver on that promise of effortless utility? Right out of the box, the Moyarl makes an immediate impression. The first thing you notice is that striking 3.25-inch blade, finished in a stealthy black PVD coating. It's crafted from 14C28N stainless steel, a fantastic choice for a working knife because it holds a great edge, is easy to sharpen, and resists corrosion like a champ. And speaking of edges, this one comes incredibly sharp, ready for action straight away. Whether you're breaking down boxes, preparing kindling on a camping trip, or just tackling everyday chores, this blade feels more than up to the task. But a great blade needs a great handle, and the Moyarl doesn't disappoint. The black micarta handle is lightweight, which is a huge plus for an EDC knife you'll carry all day. More than just light, it's ergonomically shaped, fitting comfortably in the hand. That textured micarta provides a secure grip, even when things get a little wet or slippery, giving you confidence in every cut. It's the kind of handle that just melts into your palm, making extended use a pleasure rather than a chore. Now let's talk about the action. This knife features a ceramic ball bearings pivot, and honestly, it's incredibly smooth. The blade deploys with a satisfying snap, almost effortlessly, making it a joy to open and close. That smooth operation isn't just for fidgeting. It means quick, reliable access when you need it most. And for carrying, the titanium pocket clip is a brilliant touch. It's not just durable, it's designed for convenient everyday carry, keeping the knife securely in your pocket without adding unnecessary bulk. It just disappears until you need it. The Moyarl is clearly designed with versatility in mind. Its recommended uses for camping and hiking are spot on, but it truly shines as a general pocket knife. It's robust enough for light outdoor tasks, yet refined enough for daily urban carry. The adjustable special feature likely refers to the pivot, allowing you to fine-tune the tension to your exact preference, which is a nice detail for enthusiasts. Overall, the Miguron Moyarl is an impressive package. It combines premium materials like 14C28N steel and titanium with thoughtful design and excellent craftsmanship. It's a knife that feels more expensive than it is, offering a fantastic balance of performance, comfort, and style. For anyone seeking a reliable, smooth operating, and genuinely comfortable everyday carry knife that won't break the bank, the Moyarl is an outstanding choice. It's a true workhorse that feels like a custom piece.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.